Okay, now look at this question based on 1D motion again. A, B, C, and D are the points in a vertical line such that AB equal to BC equal to CD. If a body falls from rest from A, then the times of descent through AB, BC, and CD are in the ratio. Four options are given. Let's draw the diagram. So here I have point A, B, okay, C, and finally D. So each of them has height h. This is height h, and height h. Sorry, this is the point D. Okay. Now a particle is dropped from position A with initial velocity 0, u equal to 0. Okay. So when it reaches the level of B, time taken is t1. When it reaches the level of C, time taken is t2. When it reaches the level of D, time taken is t3. Okay. So A, to reach A, distance traveled is h will be equal to g t1 square by 2. So t1 will be under root 2h by g. For B, to reach B, total distance traveled is 2h. So 2h equal to g t2 square by 2. So t2 will be what? Root of 4h by g. Okay. So the time taken to go from B to C is how much? Time taken to go from B to C will be t2 minus t1. So that is root 4h by g minus root 2h by g. Okay. So I can write this down as 2 minus root 2 into root h by g. Now we come to the third part, that is time taken to go from A to D. So total distance traveled will be how much? 3h. So to reach D, 3h equal to g t3 square by 2. Okay. Or t3 will be what? Root 6h by g. So the time taken to reach from C to D is how much? To reach from C to D will be T3 minus T2. So T3 minus T2 will be root 6h by g minus root 4h by g. So this is root 6 minus 2 root h by g. So in the question what they are asking, in the question they are asking the time to go from A to B and B to C and C to D is in the ratio. So you reach A to B in time t1, B to C in t2 minus t1, and C to D in t3 minus t2. So basically we have to find our answer in terms of t1 is 2, t2 minus t1 is 2, t3 minus t2. So this will be equal to t1 is what? Root 2h by g, to the ratio of t2 minus t1 is 2 minus root 2 into root h by g. 2 minus root 2 root h by g to the ratio of root 6 minus 2 root h by g. So root h by g will cancel out. So we get root 2 is 2, 2 minus root 2 is 2, root 6 minus 2. So if I divide the whole equation by root 2, so I get 1 is 2, root 2 minus 1 is 2, root 3 minus root 2. So we get option D as the right answer.